Hey everybody, welcome to Learn Billiards. I'm Eddie Altman, your PBIA instructor. Alright, so here we're going to go with the 8-ball on the break. 8-ball, side pocket. There you go. Now I'll show a close-up on how that shot was made. Alright, now that was the second ball break. That's how you make the 8-ball in the side pocket. Now I'll explain in detail on how I took that shot. Alright, so what we want to do here is we want this cue ball. Again, remember, I was shooting from the left-hand side of the table, so low left. You're shooting from the right-hand side of the table, low right. So I'm showing it on the left-hand side of the table. You want this cue ball to travel and hit this 2 dead on. Now I angled the 2 to use that as a target point for this demonstration. So I want that cue ball to come into the rack right there, hit that 2 ball 100%. I don't want to touch that point ball, which is the 1 ball. So again, I want to make full contact with the second ball in on the rack. Then the cue ball, bust the balls open, come off this side rail, and then back into the rack, like that. So after the cue ball comes in contact with that second ball in, it will come into the side rail and then back into the rack and help further spread the balls. So as you can see from the demonstration, and I'm playing on a 9-foot table, so that's a lot more for that 8-ball to travel into that side pocket. So you can see how well this break can work. It's not going to work all the time, obviously, but you'll definitely spread the balls. You'll lose a little bit of cue ball control, but again, coming into the rack this way, usually the cue ball will stay towards the middle of the table on this end of the table. So go ahead and practice this. I did these close-ups because I had a few people on the original video I did ask for close-ups and a little bit more detailed explanation. So again, this is an update to my previous video. So if you practice this, you will become better and better to where you can take that full stroke, come in contact with the second ball in the rack. Remember, this is called the second ball break.